Hey guys, welcome to TechBase. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to delete all downloads on Netflix. So let's get started. First, open the Netflix app on your device. Tap on the My Netflix option from the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Here, you will see the app settings option. Tap on it. In the downloads section of the settings, you will see an option that says delete all downloads. Tap on it. A confirmation message will appear asking if you want to delete all your downloaded videos. Finally, tap on the delete option to confirm. And that's it. This is how you can delete all downloads on Netflix. Thank you for watching TechBase. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.